This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Infinix model and Android version. This matters because menus differ. Once done, turn off Battery Saver and any Smart Manager auto-clean tools so they don't immediately kill apps. Next, go into Settings, Open Apps, then Special Access and select Battery Optimization. You will change each target app from optimized to not optimized so Android won't auto-close it. Do this for messaging, email, VPN, or any background service you need running. Now lock the apps you need to keep alive. Open recent apps and use the lock/pin icon to prevent swiping closure. Then open each app's info page and enable auto start and background activity. Make sure it can run at startup. Also, set ignore battery restrictions for those apps in the battery permissions screen so the system treats them as essential. Finally, disable any clean unlock features in your phone manager app, because those will force stop locked processes. To finish, make sure system and apps are updated so background policies match current firmware. If apps still get auto-closed, remove third-party RAM cleaners and check developer options. Verify Don't Keep Activities is disabled. Restart the phone and test the apps while observing background behavior. If something breaks, reset app preferences rather than doing a full factory reset. That restores defaults without losing data. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate whether a third-party app is causing closures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.